Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Kingston and St. Andrew family court where they on Duke Street opened back yesterday after them did lock because of COVID-19. 133 people get killed in the country up to Saturday. The Jamaica Public Service Company JPS I tell them customers say light a go up because the price for oil continue a go up. Kingston College win the Olivier Shield for the first time since 1986 after them beat Garvey Massey 2-0 Saturday. Now for the full tour of them. The Kingston and St. Andrew family court where they on Duke Street opened back yesterday after them did lock because of COVID-19. People can go there and get all of the court service them. The court service say them ask people who for case get put off for call the family court pan 876-613-3801 or 876-469-2762 for get some new date for them court case. On top of that, them say people can go pan line for get one new date. 133 people get killed in the country up to Saturday. But 146 people did get killed when you look on the same time last year. The number of them shows a major crime like a shooting, rape people, thief from people and for beat up people gone down when you look on the same time in a January 2021. The St. James Police Division have 29 killings so far, where the highest in the country. Then Westmoreland have 14, St. Catherine North have 12 and St. Catherine South have 11. The Jamaica Public Service JPS I tell them customers say light a go up because the price for oil continue a go up. Michael Guntoys, who run the JPS, did a talk at the Jamaica Stock Exchange meeting and him said the price for oil soon reach $100 a barrel and the company have to pass on this to them customers. Mr. Guntoys said for raise light I go through the Office for Utilities and Regulation OUR first before it pass on pan people. On top of that, Guntoys said the JPS are going to continue looking at ways for cut down certain things for help out them customers. Police put out one another alert for 14-year-old Tony and Roden who come from Unity Drive in a St. Andrew. She missing from Saturday, January 29. She dark and slim and she is 6 foot long. According to the report from the Olympic Guard police, around 8:30 p.m. people lost Tonian in our community. She did have on one green blouse, white skirt and a pair of green slippers. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Olympic Guard police asked anybody who know which part Tony and Roden there for call them pan 876-923-5468 119 or the nearest police station. The Trelawney police said them a look for the ex-man for 41-year-old Gracia Williams who dead after him cut her throat pan her farm yesterday morning. The man named Omar Bennett and the two of them catch up in our argument in a Greentown and him used a machete chop her up and cut her throat. According to the police report, around 9:15 in the morning, Williams left her yard in a Mendes town and go pan her yam farm in a Greentown. When she up on the farm, she and Bennett catch up in our argument where him use a machete kill her. Him run away after that. Now for sports. Kingston College KC win the Olivier Shield for the first time since 1986 after them beat Garvey Massey 2-0 Saturday at the final where keeper stats. KC scored the first goal in the first half and the second goal in the second half. This is the 10th time KC win the trophy. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.